ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે બિઝનેસ એન્ડ પ્રોફેશન એની ઇન્કમ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન અને થિયરીઝ આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલી હતી. નાવ પ્રેક્ટિકલ પાર્ટ. ફર્સ્ટ, કેલ્ક્યુલેટ ટેક્સેબલ ઇન્કમ અંડર ધ હેડ ઇન્કમ ફ્રોમ અધર સોર્સિસ ઓફ મિસ્ટર સોઢી. Dividend received on equity share of Goli Limited. Dividend distributed by Indian company is fully exempted. Interest received on 4,000 9% tax free debenture of Gokuldham Limited, TDS 10%. Amount of interest is 36,000. Interest received on listed debenture of Gada Electronics, TDS 10%. Interest amount 1,44,000. He has paid as a interest on loan taken for making investment in Gada Electronics Limited 17,600. Statement prepare करशो. Statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mr. Sodhi. Assessment year 2021, financial year 2019-20. Particulars. Amount. A. Taxable income. First, interest dividend on equity share of Goli Limited. Dividend income is fully exempted. Second, interest received on 4,00,000 9% tax-free debenture of Gokuldham Limited. Interest on debenture of Gokuldham. Working note number 1. Let's assume that gross interest is 100 minus TDS. Rate of TDS is 10%. So 10 90, that is net interest 90. ત્યારે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટની અમાઉન્ટ આપેલી છે 36,000. તો 100 how much? 36,000 multiplied by 90 divided by 100. 36,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 90. 36,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 90. 40,000. 40,000. Second, third, interest on listed debenture of Gada Limited. Interest on debenture of Gada Limited. This is working note number 1. This is working note number 2. Gross interest 100 minus rate of TDS is 10%. Net interest is 90. 90 1,44,000. So 100 how much? 144,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 90. 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Total 2 lakhs. Total taxable income less B. Deduction allowed it is given that he has taken loan for making investment in Gada in Electronics. Amount of interest is 17,600. Interest on loan for Gada Limited, 17,600. A minus thase 2 lakhs minus 70,600, 182,400, 1,82,400. This is A minus B, total taxable income. Next, example number 2. Mr. Popatbhai held the following security and share on 31st March 2019. Here the amount of investment is given. 15% debenture of X Company Limited, 2 lakhs. 12% tax-free debenture of limited company TDS is 10%, 1,50,000. 14% preference share ઉપર રિટર્નમાં શું મળે? dividend is exempted. 10% tax-free government security 30,000. 7% municipal debenture 150 were paid to bank as a commission for collecting the interest, and 54 preference share dividend. So preference share dividend છે એ exempted છે, તો એને related expense પણ not allowed થશે as a deduction. 13,500 is the interest on loan taken to purchase 15% debenture. This one, first one. So એના ઉપરનું interest છે એ allow થશે. Calculate Popatbhai taxable income under the head income from other sources for assessment year 2019-20. Okay, start કરશું. Statement prepare કરશું. Statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mr. Popatbhai. Assessment year 2021, financial year 1920. Particulars, amount. A, taxable income. First, 15% debenture of X Company Limited. So interest on debenture of X Limited, investment આપેલું છે 2 lakhs, એના ઉપર 15%, so 30,000. Second, 12% tax-free debenture of listed limited company. So interest on debenture of limited company, working note number 1, limited company. First of all, investment is given, so we have to calculate interest. Interest 1,50,000, એના ઉપર 12%, 1,50,000 એના ઉપર 20%, so 1,50,000 multiplied by 12%, 18,000. Let's assume that gross interest is 100 minus TDS is 10%, so net interest is 90. 18,000, then 100, how much? 18,000 divided by 90 multiplied by 100, 20,000. Second, 20,000. Third, preference share. So dividend on preference share disallow tax free, fourth, tax free government security 30,000, interest on government security 30,000 and a 10%, that is 3,000. Fifth, interest on municipal bond 1 lakh, interest on municipal bond 1 lakh in upper 7%, that is 7,000. Total 50 and 10 60,000 total income. Less deduction allow, $150 paid as a bank commission for collecting the interest. Interest collection charge. Interest collection charge 150. Preference share collection charge, preference share dividend collection charge is not allowed as a deduction. 13,500 is a interest on loan. Interest on loan for purchase debenture 13,500. Total 13,650. This is B. A minus B, total taxable income minus 13,650, that is 6,350. 6,350 is taxable income from other head. Next, this is 60,000. 60,000 minus 13,650, 46,350. 46,350 is taxable income from other sources. Next example, example number 3, that is example number 2 of your book. Following information, calculate the income from other sources of Sri X year ending on 31st March 2019. The following were the investment. These are the investment. 8% municipal bond, first series 10,000. 10% tax-free listed debenture 27,000, TDS 10%. 6% tax-free security 10,000. 12% preference share ઉપર dividend મળવા પાત્ર છે, so not taxable. 10% tax-free debenture unlisted rupees 27,000, TDS 10%. Interest on above security become due on 31st December each year. This is very important for us. On 31st August 2018, he had sold 10,000, 6% tax-free government security for rupees 7,500. On the same day, purchased 10,000, 8% municipal corporation bond, second series rupees 9,500. So this is the face value. These are the purchase and sell price. The required amount of balance for such purchase was borrowed at 15% interest per annum. He had paid rupees 60 for brokerage on purchase and sale of security. So brokerage છે એ capital gain માં allow થશે deduction માટે, other sources માં ન બાદ મળે. 50 for collection of interest, that is eligible. Deduction dividend on preference share was declared on 31st March 2019. So dividend income છે exempted છે. Statement prepare કરશું. Statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mr. X. assessment year 2021, financial year 1920. Particulars, amount. A, taxable income. ओके स्टार्ट करशू फर्स्ट these are the investment so એના ઉપર આપણે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવું પડે 8% મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશન બોન્ડ ફર્સ્ટ સિરીઝ so interest on first series corporation bond working note number 1 working note not required interest calculate કરી લઈએ 10,000 એના ઉપર 8% that is 800 second 10% tax free listed debenture interest on tax free listed debenture working note number 1 interest on listed debenture. First of all we have to calculate interest 27,000 and now per 10%, so 2,700 assume gross interest 100 less rate of TDS is 10%, so net income is 90, net interest is 90, then amount of interest is 2,700, then 100 is how much? 3,000. 3,000. Third, 6% tax-free government security. This security is sold on 31st August 2080 and interest is receivable on 31st December. So before 31st December security sell કરેલી છે એટલે એના ઉપર કરંટ યરનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ મળવાપાત્ર નથી. સો ટેક્સ ફ્રી ગવર્મેન્ટ સિક્યુરિટીનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ મળવાપાત્ર નથી. ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ઓન ગવર્મેન્ટ સિક્યુરિટી. Yes. Fourth, 12% preference share. So dividend on preference share. This is also not taxable. Fifth, 10% tax-free unlisted debenture. So interest on unlisted debenture. Same working note number 2, same as working note number 1, unlisted. First of all we have to calculate interest because investment is given 27,000 એના ઉપર rate of interest છે 10%, so amount of interest થશે 2,700. Let's assume that gross interest is 100 less rate of TDS is 10%, so 10, net interest is 90, 90 at 2,700, so 100 at how much? 3,000. 3,000. Sixth, interest on above security become due on 31st December. On 1/8/2018 he sold 10,000 6% tax-free government security for rupees 7,500. On the same day purchase 10,000 8% municipal bond second series. So interest on second series municipal bond. Face value of bond is 10,000. Rate of interest is 8%, so 800. So required that is allow as a deduction. So total સૌથી પહેલા આપણે ઇન્કમનો ટોટલ કરી લઈએ. A 8,000 3,000 sorry 800 plus 800 plus 6,000 7600. Less deduction allowed. First, interest collection brokerage is not allowed. Interest collection charge is 50. Interest collection charge 50. Second, interest on loan taken to purchase municipal bond second series. Interest on loan taken to purchase bond second series. So he sold government security at rupees 7,500 and purchased bond at rupees 9,500. So 2000 is shortage of fund. This is the amount of loan 2000. On which day the transaction is done? 31st/8/2018. So 1/9/2018. Rate of interest on loan is 15% per annum. So 15% from 1/9 to 31st March. September, October, November, December, January, February and March. Total 7 month no interest divided by 12. 1/9 to 31st/3/2019. So 2000 multiplied by 15% multiplied by 7 divided by 12. 175. Interest on loan. B 225. A minus B, total taxable income. 7600 minus 225. 7375. 7375 is net taxable income from other sources. This is your answer. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.